this is Jen, and thanks so much for joining me today. Today I am sharing a few cards as a part of a hop, and this hop is for the Not Too Shabby shop for the release of the stamp and die of the month for the month of March. And this is for the Sweet Critters die and stamp set. This is a super cute stamp set. There's also a giveaway, which I will talk about a little bit during the video and how to participate in that. But the stamp set is super cute. It's got these cute little characters, a lot of little accessories, and what is awesome about this is that it has a matching die set that matches every piece that is in the stamp set. And when you get your die set, it already is on a really nice magnet, so you don't have to worry about providing that. It is already there for you. And to color up these images today, I'm going to be using some Ohuhu markers, and these are Y030, B04, R21, Y230, and G120. And I am doing the easiest coloring ever. It's probably can't even be considered coloring. I'm basically just outlining with the markers just to add a little touch of color around the outline of the images. I am not using more than one marker per color. Just really simple, just to add a little pop of color without a lot of time or effort, which is sometimes really nice. And then once I have these images colored, I'm going to go ahead and color in the little accessories. And I do make a solid image out of those with the colors, but again, I'm only using one color. I'm just putting a base coat down with that one color, and then to do kind of like the shading, I'm just going to use that same color right on top, and it'll be a little bit darker. So hopefully you got that right there. The dies have little cuts where the hands are, and so what that does is allows the little critters to hold all of the little accessories. So I think that is so darling and super cute. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'll die cut all of my pieces. And then I found it was the easiest to kind of pop those little arms out is just take my little pick tool and push those forward from the back. And that'll get the arms to pop up, and then you can fit whatever little accessory they're going to be holding underneath. And so I put the accessories on each of the characters that I wanted them to be on, and then I just kind of pulled them up a little bit and added a drop of glue underneath to secure those. But those are super cute. And then I'm going to use a product from my stash. This is a stamp and die set, and it just says birthday, and I'm just doing a little bit of kind of inks, 3 different colors of inks. This is kind of what I had there, and I love the pink and kind of orange and yellow, and so that is what I went ahead and used. I used Tiki Torch and Be Mine from Catherine Pooler, and then a Distress Oxide in Mustard Seed. And I just went ahead and stamped that up, and then I decided that I was going to do a shaker, so I took some dies from my stash and kind of made a hill, a scalloped hill, and then another portion, and I'm going to do a kind of a partial shaker. And so I am cutting a piece of plastic packaging, and a lot of me assembling this was off camera. I do apologize, but I'll show you how I secure the top. But basically, you're going to wrap it like a package. I've put my piece of cardstock into the plastic, and then took some double-sided tape to secure that. And then cut the corners at a diagonal, so then you just wrap that up like a present, or wrap it up onto your double-sided adhesive, and that will give you that kind of negative edge shaker there. And then here I am, I'm going to secure the top, and so I put down my piece of double-sided adhesive, and then I'm going to take my scissors and then just cut the edges at a diagonal, just so you don't have a whole lot of bulk underneath when you're folding that over. And then I will remove that strip from the double-sided adhesive and fold the top over. So basically the bottom was the same way to assemble. I always try and cut the plastic packaging so there is at least one edge, if not 2, so then you don't have to worry about at least securing those 2 sides. And then I will take some more double-sided adhesive and put that on the back. And usually I use tape on the back, and just regular Scotch tape, but I ran out, and so I just put a little bit of washi tape on the bottom because I'm super paranoid about the little shaker pieces coming out somehow. And so I wanted to make sure that was very well secured and none of that stuff's going to come out. And then I'm taking a card base, and this card base is, I don't know if this is a mini slimline, but it's a 3.5 by 6.25 is the card size. And so I've cut the base so that I can add my little shaker portion. And then for the scalloped hill portion, I am using some foam tape, and then at the top where it's going to hit that shaker portion, I just added a little bit of glue. And so I will go ahead and add that piece. And this double-sided tape, or foam tape, it's the Scotch, or the 3M. That's really expensive, and so I've had it for like 3 or 4 years, and it's starting to get a little yellow and not nice looking, but it still worked, so that worked out. And then I took a stencil and added a little bit of yellow to my background, and then I'm going to start assembling the pieces of the card, and added my little characters and my birthday sign, and so it says happy birthday to you. And then I'm going to add a few little sequins, and that's going to finish off my shaker card. And then I have one other card that's really super quick, and that is just going to be basically assembly. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know about the giveaway. There is a $25 giveaway with this hop. And to participate, all you need to do is like and comment on each of the videos. And there are just a few videos, I believe about 5 or 6 maybe, that show some different ideas on how to use the Stamp and Die for March. And to follow all of the other participants in the hop, there is a hashtag. I'll put that up on the screen. And I will also put it in the description so that all you have to do is click on it and that will pull up all the videos in the hop. The hop, I'm so sorry. The giveaway closes on March 14th, and again, is for a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop, and the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby shop channel, and I will have that link below as well. And that's going to do it for me. Thanks for sticking here with me. I appreciate you watching. If you like this video or found it informative, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much again for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.